Okay, the number 3 is more EXPC related. Not really a question, but this is Hub from Amsterdam, but I think something that's important to address. I would like to suggest to subscribers to not chase buy or sell signals. It's just getting ridiculous. TOBAF spiked 14% in less than 10 minutes. These stocks will be there the next morning too. You know, I think there's some important context here. Number one, these stocks do move. We've developed a really big following, but you need to use that to your advantage. You know, we talk about our top ideas all the time, whether it's on the call, whether it's on the macro show, in our research notes. So you sort of know what we like or we don't like. If you end up being on the wrong side of a signal, if you sell something that we like because of a short-term trading tactic, trading a short-term trade or reducing the position, it actually creates an opportunity to buy it.
Yeah. I mean, I was just looking up the.
But you use all this to your advantage instead of thinking it's just a constraint to the system.
No, it's also a very one-dimensional view of the process. I mean, it's not like they called it TOBAF.
Yep.
So TOBAF was first introduced to Hedgeye subscribers on the 24th of February. Okay. Yesterday was March the 2nd. So the real way to use the process is to not be a chintzer. Like we used to, these people I go to college with, we used to call it something else. People are, some people are cheap. They don't want to use all the tools. Again, I'm the son of not Ragnar Lothbrok, but somebody pretty damn close, John McCullough. I cannot go to a worksite without all my tools and my tool belt on. If you want to do that, and you want to sit there and whine and complain about real-time alerts because you didn't know that both on the call, which is a product that you need to take some time, to listen. Comprehension skills, reading and comprehension really matter. If you didn't have time to watch it, Howard Penny wrote a note in Consumables Pro that repeated what he spoke about on the call. Because on the call, we talk about what they're right about, and then, it gets to the long of the range and voila, you get paid. Like, it's not about chasing, it's about proactively preparing. And at the end of the day, this is if you want to get really good at this, don't complain like that. Have a well-rounded, Hedgeye is giving you all the tools, if you so are not so cheap to pay for them, and take the time too. So again, there's a way in life to do better than other people. You outwork them, right? Every day, you get in there and you work your, I'm not gonna say it the way I would in a hockey dressing room, but you outwork them. You don't whine and complain about the score after the fact. You get mad about it and get better, right? So again, if you want to, and again, I'm not going to apologize for 41 straight book gains in real-time alerts. Let's just start there too. There are a lot of hedge fund guys out there that have had 41 straight losses, 51% drawdowns of their portfolio. This is a tough game, right? I think we got a high-class problem here. So thank you.